So guys, hello, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Nat Fashion Hub, the best fashion channel in the world. Alright, so today we're going to be learning how to cut a uniform shirt for students. But this uniform shirt doesn't have, I'll show you the style. Okay, now a very simple method I'm going to be showing you. Okay, these are the measurements for this uniform top. We have a chest measurement of 38. The length is 26. All right, and the shoulder is 16. All right, so when you are cutting a shirt, uniform shirt, you divide the chest measurement by 4. So if you divide 38 by 4, you are going to be having 9.5. So just add 1 inch and make it what, 10.5. Just stay with me, make it 10.5. So this is 10.5 right here. Okay, 10.5 right here. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to slope the shoulder. Okay, let's slope it by 3. Since it's uniform, let's slope it by 3. Okay, this is because the human shoulder is not straight. That's why you slope it. Okay, after sloping it, I'm going to be taking the length of the shirt. We said it's 20. It's 26. Sorry, it's 26, guys. 26. All right, length of the shirt is 26. So this is 26 right here. All right, now we'll remove the front block. You are wondering why I didn't give button allowance, right? Just stay with me. We'll remove the front block. Okay, and then we'll use it to cut the back piece. Now if you notice, guys, I didn't give hemming allowance when I was removing that front block. I didn't measure the length of the shirt and give hemming allowance. I'm going to show you why I did not give hemming allowance. Okay, I'll show you why I didn't give hemming allowance. So guys, this is why I didn't give hemming allowance. Now stay with me. For the back piece, I'm going to come here and push it in by, I'm going to push it in here, leaving an allowance of 3 inches up here is fine. 3.5 to 4 is fine. Then I'll fold it in this way. All right, just iron it. Just iron it properly. Okay, so our shoulder, we said is 16 divided by 2. Mind you, this is starting from here. All right, our shoulder is 16 divided by 2. That will give you 8 plus half inch. That becomes 8.5. All right, now the depth of our arm, okay, is shoulder divided by 2. So 8.5. Now we minus 1 inch from it. So the arm, to get your arm, you divide shoulder by 2 and minus 1 inch. So shoulder is 16. All right, 16, which is 8. All right, minus 1, which is what? It becomes 7, not 7.5. It becomes 7. So it's 7. All right, now the next thing is to get our chest measurement. So chest measurement is 38. Okay, divide by 4, that is 9.5. This is 9.5 plus 1 inch, same allowance. Okay, so what we have here is what? Is 8. So bring your 8 down here. Okay, you now join this point to this point here. We are trying to cover our arm now, guys. Pay attention. You mark the midpoint. Okay, and you come in by what? half 3/4 inch, half or 3/4 inch. Then you curve this to here, back to the shoulder. Can you see that? Of course, this allowance here extends to down. Okay, our 10.5, 9.5 plus 1 inch, 10.5. The neck, you simply come down here by what? 3.5, and the wideness of 1/3, and you get the width of the shirt of the neck. All right. So the arm, cut it this way. Now I said I'll tell you why I didn't add hemming allowance. Okay. Now we say length of this shirt is 26, right? Look at 26 right here. We have 1.5 inch hemming allowance. It's because of this difference from the back. You understand? So I'm going to just come in by half inch for the front. Just come in by half inch. Just the front piece. So I'm checking to ensure that it's just the front piece. I'm coming in by what? Half inch. And we are done with our shirt. Now guys, I said I did not divide the front because this kind of uniform is the one that has a short placket with a collar neck. All right, so it's not button all the way down. It's just a short placket here like this. All right, with a collar neck. So that's how you cut this. Okay, when the buttons is not going all the way. I think I've seen uniforms like that where the button stops halfway here and it doesn't go all the way to the end. It just has a placket that stops here and then it has a collar. All right, so this is it. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Thank you.